Hey there! Today we're diving into a problem that can arise when working with variadic templates in C++. The problem at hand involves casting the parameters received through a variadic template to the exact types of a function defined using typedef. In our case, the function is called foo and it accepts two integers as parameters. However, when we pass arguments to the function, we end up printing all the passed arguments instead of converting them to the exact types accepted by foo. Let's see how we can tackle this issue together. When looking for a solution to our problem, we can leverage a clever approach using a template function lambda to extract the parameters of the func type that we are working with. By defining a new template function board, we can ensure that the arguments passed are properly converted to the exact types expected by the func type. This solution involves checking if func is invocable with the provided arguments, and then using a lambda to extract the parameter types of func and print them out accordingly. This elegant solution allows us to correctly match the parameter types of the function while maintaining the flexibility of a variadic template. In summary, we explored a neat solution to a common problem encountered when working with variadic templates in C++. By utilizing template functions and lambdas, we were able to cast the parameters received through a variadic template to the exact types of a typedef function. Remember, C++ has its quirks, but with some creativity, we can always find a way to tackle challenges effectively. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a witty comment below. Happy coding!